Right now, jury selection is underway in the trial of a local man accused of planning a race war. Marcus Fiala, the alleged leader of a white supremacist group called American Front, turned down a plea deal today. WESH 2's Matt Grant joining us now live outside the Osceola County Courthouse. And Matt, he could potentially face much more prison time by turning down this deal.
Well, yeah, Brett, Fiala could face up to 50 years in prison, but today the focus was on finding the people responsible for his fate. Now, dozens of jurors were questioned today as Fiala listened and occasionally took notes. Jurors were asked a number of questions about how familiar they are with the case, their thoughts on guns, and if they belong to the NRA. They were also asked their thoughts on informants, because in this case, the FBI used an informant to infiltrate the organization, the American Front. The feds allege Fiala led a criminal gang in eastern Osceola County with the intent of igniting a race war, conducting paramilitary training on a fortified compound with plans to kill Jews, immigrants, and minorities. Some of the people he once led could testify, which is why potential jurors were also asked today if they could believe someone even if they objected to their personal beliefs. Here's an example of the state asking potential jurors about their thoughts on informants.
Is there anyone here who thinks that just because the government used an informant to gather information about certain activities, that fact in and of itself would cause you to hold something against the government or the state for the prosecution because you don't approve of the use of informants?
Prosecutors intend to call the informant hired by the FBI as a witness. In the meantime, Fiala remains free on bail. We're live in Osceola County. Matt Grant, WESH 2 News.